Hey everyone, and welcome to Trades of the Day. Man, what a crazy market we've been getting recently. Here's the SPY, and we did have a very nice retest. We are still looking at kind of like an evening star reversal type of movement right now. And again, here's the long-term moving average. So as long as SPY doesn't close below 256, we should be okay. But again, I like the lower shadow. I'm actually in the camp to think that we bounce a little bit, but I'm very happy that we did close out of a lot of our swing trades bullish. Now we're going to go through some of these and look at them. Lulu, we're still in Lulu. I'm going to keep holding it for a bit. Still looks good, and they're looking for a new CEO, so we'll see if that's going to cause any kind of turmoil to the stock. It very well might, probably will. So on Monday, I'm going to keep a close eye on Lulu and see if we need to exit, drop the entry, and see if we can get in for another, for a little bit of a gain. So just keep that on your list for Monday morning to see how it's opening. Fitbit is a bearish position, which I really don't mind having in the market right now. So Fitbit, we'll see if she continues to go lower. Got some puts on that. IQ did not trigger today. So IQ, we're going to leave that open for a little bit longer, but that looks nice. Dropbox also, nothing yet, hasn't triggered yet, so we're still waiting on Dropbox. So let's figure out what happens there. HES, took some HES with the market, long lower shadow, definitely filled our pullback to 50.99. So we'll see exactly how long I end up holding that position. It might not be a long time, even though that probably would be what's most adequate, but yeah, we'll just end up seeing exactly how long my patience can last on HES. Now here's FCX, and we got filled at both of our entries. So good job splitting up the entries, and just again getting half an R of exposure on both, which is a full R of exposure together. But again, you're getting just one price a little bit cheaper. So we'll see if this double bottom comes in. Monday will be a pretty monumentally important day for just kind of the broader markets in general. I had some stocks written down that I wanted to look at. Let me see if I still like them. VLO, Valero. I do still like Valero. So let me hop in here to the hourly chart. So we're going to want to break above Valero. So we'll draw something like this. So I want to break above, want to pull back. So we're going to do a stop limit on VLO, and again the stop's going to be a little bit of a higher entry, so bullish stop limit. So the stop will be this 96.53, and the limit will be 96 even. Okay, perfect. So that's going to be actually where our entry is based on, and then the stop loss will be right here. Now earnings is right around the corner, so we won't be in this trade very long. Looking to maybe take an R, half an R, whatever the market gives us. Maybe something better. I doubt it, but you never know. Here's 4/6/2018 VLO, and we're going to come back to 96 is the entry with a stop at 93.70. And again, looking at playing that one with shares. I think it's a good setup based on a retest gap open, because that's not triggered yet. Open, there we go, and we'll just throw that link right in there. So that is Valero. The other one I had on the list was Google. Had a Google bullish setup for all of us, but it actually broke down. So I canceled that trade. This was the setup right here, and just broke lower. So we'll keep an eye on Google. Come back to that a little bit later, but no go on Google. And then Amazon. This is going to be our setup on Amazon, which I do like. I don't know if we're going to get filled on it or not. Again, I will cancel this trade if for some reason the market gaps up huge or largely something that's uncomfortably big Monday, which is certainly possible. But Amazon 1430. Before I copy this, I'm going to write it in here. Limit sell 1430. Here we go. 1430, put that there. And the stop is going to be 14 60, 68. And again, gonna go share. So that one, I think it's a great setup based on a very nice gap and go open because it's not triggered yet. And that's what we're gonna keep our eyes on. As far as our credit spreads are concerned, yeah, we got a Tesla. I would love to own Square at 40. Acacia, we're gonna see about it at 35. Facebook's got a lot of time on it, a lot of time. And then Alcoa is just gonna be all about what earnings does. But Alcoa did hold up pretty well today. So we'll end up finding out how it plays out. Earnings season's right around the corner, folks. Again, day trading is gonna be in high session. I mean, earnings, huge gaps, volatility everywhere. Just tons and tons of volatility. Hope to see you trading with me in my trading room here soon. If you guys have any questions, just keep me posted. And what I might start doing here soon is just adding some of the day trades that I do place on a daily basis just in this sheet, so you guys can kind of look over what I traded and how I traded them. So at least that way you can learn more information on just the day trading aspect, the quick ins and outs of the market. So that's what I got. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you rock.